Let's create a parents class. So I am going to name it as person, and then let's define an init method, init, and we'll put some arguments inside. Let's say self, first name and last name. So these are the arguments. So let's define the properties. Self dot first name, let's put first name equals f name, and let's put self dot last name equals l name. Now we'll create a method. So let's name the method as print name. Print name, self will be the argument, and now we will print self dot first name, and then we'll put self dot last name. So we will use the person class to create objects and then execute the print method. So let's create object person, and then let's put the name as will, and then put the last name as Smith, and then we'll execute the print name method dot print name. Let's run it. So you can see it has printed Will Smith. So let's create a child class, class name as student, and let's put the argument as person, and here we will put the pass keyword, and then we'll make the object student. Let's name it as Jaden Smith, and let's execute the print name. So let's run it. So you can see here Jaden Smith has been printed. So we have used the pass keyword when we do not want to add any other method or property to the class. So now we will create the same class. Let's name it as the person class, class person. Again we will define the init method, init, and here also I am going to put self, first name and last name as the argument. So let's define the property self dot first name equals f name, self dot last name equals l name, and then we will define a method print name. Print name argument will be self. So let's print self dot first name and self dot last name, and again here we'll create the class, that is our child class. So let's put it as student, person will be the argument. So the child's init function overrides the inheritance of the parents init function. So here I am going to define the init method here. So it will inherit from the parent f name and then l name. So I am going to put here person dot init, and then we'll put self, first name and last name. Okay. So now to keep the inheritance of the parent init function, add a call to the parents init function. So let's make the object x equals student. So here I am going to put it as Jaden Smith, and then let's put x dot print name. So let's run it. So there is an error in line number 26. So we have missed a colon. So let's run it. So you can see Jaden Smith has been printed